Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about how to make an division table. Um, how to make the division table by using the Python program. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Usually we know about the multiplication table from 1 into 1 into 1 1 1 into 2 2, like that we will perform the division table. 5, suppose I want to give the 5 division table means 25 division table means number 25 division table means 25 division 1 equal to 25 division 2 equal to 15 12 12.5, like that. Want to display the results like this, so we will see how to make this division table in this program, in this video. Okay friends, I am taking the set of elements in the list. Okay, list, that's why I am taking the square bracket. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to 15. I will take the numbers up to 15. 11 12 is enough. Up to 12 I will take the elements and then store it into the variable lst. Okay, then I'm going to ask the user to give the input. I'm asking the user for the input. Okay, by using a input of function. Input of enter the number. Previously I'll add the eval function, then I'll store into some variable user input equal to. Then I'm going to perform the division operation, division table, by each and every element in the list. Okay, so I'm going to search every elements in the each and every elements in the list. For that I'm going to apply the for condition. For I in lst, then what I have to print, want to print the division table. So first, previously how the result looks like, I am giving the 23 means 23 divided by 1 equal to 23. Then 23 division 2 equal to 11.5. Okay, so we need this format of division table. We need the division table format like this. Okay, so I want to display the division table like this. So I'll take the values to print the format like this. First our value will come user input. Whatever the user give the number, that number should print first. Then slash means nothing but the division operation. Then the next one is I is the elements. Okay, these are the elements which is present in the list. Then equal like this. Here suppose the user gives the number 5, so how it will display? 5 slash the first element I is 1, so 5 division 1 equal to, then the result will be produced. Okay, then I am using the what is the result will be produced? User input divided by I. Okay, then but if we give the simply if we give this code like this, it will display the results in the fraction format also. So something 5 divided by 1 equal to 5 and 5 divided by 2 equal to 2.5, but usually the multiplication table does not include the fraction values. So to avoid this, we have to use the round up function. Okay, that means is used to round the fraction of whole fraction values into whole numbers. So we are using the round up the value result. By using this, we have to round up the results. Then I'm going to save. Okay, enter the number. I'm just going to give 87. Save. These are the division table of number 87, and I'm going to run again. Enter the number 65. 5437. See, this is our required division table. We can also perform the multiplication like this, multiplication table like this. Instead of the division symbol, we can use the multiplication table, and here we can use the apply the multiplication operation. The both places should be changed, but rest of the things are same. So like that we can perform the division and subtraction, addition, modulus operation. We can perform any kind of table by using this format. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubts, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and forward this videos to all your friends. Thank you friends.